It's hard to imagine this is how 2020 started. But across the world, dozens were falling ill with a mysterious virus that would ultimately change life as we know it.
Today, Canada's biggest university, along with many others across the country, made the decision to cancel all face-to-face classes and move them online.
We have therefore made the assessment that COVID-19 can be characterized as a pandemic.
You'll have to stay home. You'll have to Skype that big family dinner.
With more events canceled, schools closing, travel restricted, and major companies urging employees to work from home.
Hi everyone, so today we're going to be talking about photosynthesis.
For today's session, we're going to program our robot to navigate the course and pick up objects while it's doing that.
Today we're going to be talking about algebraic expressions and its usefulness.
Today we're going to look at how engineers use trigonometry to build bridges.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Ashar Trim-Gaskin and I'm the program manager at Imhotep's Legacy Academy. I am a graduate of Dalhousie University, where I received a Bachelor of Science in Biology with a certificate in genetics. COVID-19 has been a challenging year for society as a whole. But fortunately, we at Imhotep's Legacy Academy, being the innovators we are, have adapted to an online learning atmosphere, meaning they would need to still be connecting to our mentors via laptop and engaging in the science themselves while being assisted online by our mentors. And this can be seen in all of our core programs for our junior high and high school students, such as our after school program, our first Lego League program, our Coding Plus program, and our virtual school program. This can also be seen for our magic shows, where we are no longer going into schools. We now send students a session link and they join us virtually. To continue to provide an interactive, hands-on environment, we send our program materials to you, the students.
So they mail it out to you and you receive it, I think, a few days before the actual session, and you just go to like your mailbox or they'll deliver it to your house. Everything is there, nothing is really missing. And it's nice to like have it. I like the experiment because you get to see things more up close and personal, being in contact with things, and you learn more because you're seeing how the reactions work or how the structure is built rather than just watching a video, and you're also more independent.
Despite the global challenges, Imhotep's Legacy Academy was able to achieve new milestones, such as the pilot launch of our after-school program, now offered in French for grades 6 to 9 students.
Aujourd'hui, nous allons observer comment les charges fonctionnent avec notre ballon. Notre ballon est chargé négativement, tandis que nos habits sont chargés positivement. Dès que nous nous déplaçons, vous voyez que le ballon nous suit. Celle-ci montre que les charges opposées attirent les autres.
We look forward to offering this for all of our programs in the near future, and you can register on our website at imhotep.dal.ca.